Prodomax is a specialized engineering firm. We design complex manufacturing production systems mainly for the automotive market. We do a lot of systems that have leading edge technologies in them, including arc welding, resistance welding, laser cutting and welding, a lot of different assembly processes. And our customers really look at us as experts in the industry, bringing new technology to help them be more competitive.
Our customers say the same thing. They come in here and there's robots going on, there's welding, there's a machine shop, and sometimes they're working with us, and they're completely astounded. They're like, wow, you guys have such cool jobs. This is really neat. You guys are so smart. And really, it's not any one individual. It's not like I'm responsible for that, or I may be speaking to that person, but what they're forgetting is there's a ton of people behind it, and there's a team of really smart people.
The thing that makes Prodomax unique and great, I would have to say, is the individuals that work here, along with the community that we built through our barbecues, golfing events, hockey events.
I love the team we've built because they're so supportive of each other, and there is no problem they can't solve.
I was here for my second co-op, I guess is when it clicked. Everybody here was very happy and eager to teach you. There's no limits. It seemed like Prodomax was they're eager to help you along and to get you to where you want to be.
I started in October 2005, and I've seen a lot of progression with our employees. We've had a lot of co-op students who have joined us, and they're now junior, intermediate, and senior employees in a variety of different jobs.
You know, people that will do well at Prodomax are not just people with an education, but people that are driven to succeed.
Somebody that's a go-getter, somebody that likes to be kept busy, but also looks for work themselves.
Someone who really loves automation. There's so many opportunities here. You can work in any field.
Lots of opportunity for people to join our industry.
Barrie's a great place for me. Reflecting my personality, I'm very outdoorsy. We got Collingwood and ski hills and beaches and everything is right there. I'm into motocross. We have Simcoe County trails and forests.
I look forward to coming to work every day. There's so many intelligent people here, and there's not a problem amongst us that we can't solve together.